Hello everyone, welcome back to Diverse Domain Discovery. In today's video, we will discuss the two major environmental issues, which are global warming and ozone depletion. So what is environmental issues? Environmental issues refers to problem or challenges related to the natural environment and the ways in which human activities impact the Earth's ecosystem. These issues encompass a broad range of topics and often involve complex interactions between the environment, society, and the economy. Ozone depletion and global warming are two distinct but interconnected environmental issues that have garnered global attention due to their significant impact on the Earth's atmosphere. Global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is a term used for the observed century-scale rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system and its related effects. With the Earth's atmosphere accumulating greenhouse gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone are the gases within the atmosphere that absorb and emit heat radiation. Increasing or decreasing amounts of greenhouse gases within the atmosphere act to either hold in or release more of the heat from the sun. Since the Industrial Revolution, the global annual temperature has increased in a total by little more than 1 degree Celsius or about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. For the last 40 years, we have seen the global annual temperature rise by 0.18 degrees Celsius or 0.32 degrees Fahrenheit per decade. Let's look into the causes of global warming. The two major causes of global warming are greenhouse gas emission and deforestation. Greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gases are any gases that has the property of absorbing infrared radiation emitted from the Earth's surface and radiating it back to the Earth's surface, thus contributing to the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor are some of the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. It occurs where certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into the space. These gases are commonly referred to as greenhouse gases. While the greenhouse effect is crucial for maintaining a habitable temperature on Earth, human activities have significantly intensified this effect, leading to global warming. The primary source of greenhouse gases include burning of fossil fuels and livestock in agriculture. Deforestation. Deforestation contributes to global warming through a series of interconnected processes that release stored carbon into the atmosphere and reduce the Earth's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. The key mechanism through which deforestation leads to global warming include carbon release. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis and storing carbon in the biomass. When forests are cleared or burned during deforestation, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide. The burning of wood and vegetation in deforested area release even more carbon dioxide, contributing to increased atmospheric concentration. Reduced carbon sequestration. Deforestation diminishes the numbers of trees available to absorb CO2 through photosynthesis. Trees play a crucial role in sequestrating carbon, acting as natural carbon sinks. When forests are removed, this vital mechanism for removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is impaired. Effects of global warming. The major effects of global warming are rising temperatures, melting ice caps, extreme weather events, ocean acidification, species extinction, and disruption of agriculture. Global average temperature are increasing, leading to heat waves, droughts, and heat-related health issues. As temperature rises, ice cap and glaciers are melting, contributing to rising sea level and threatening coastal communities. Global warming is causing more frequent and intense extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. Increased carbon dioxide emissions are being absorbed by the oceans, leading to acidification and negatively impacting marine ecosystem. Climate change disrupts ecosystem, leading to habitat loss and endangering many plants and animal species. Methods to prevent global warming. The methods to prevent global warming are reducing carbon emission, transition to renewable energy source, and promoting sustainable practices. Transition to renewable energy source helps prevent global warming by reducing the reliance on fossil fuels. Renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydropower generates electricity with lower or zero greenhouse gas emission, mitigating the contribution of the enhanced greenhouse effect. This shift decreases the release of carbon dioxide and other pollutants associated with burning fossil fuels, thereby curbing the warming of the Earth's atmosphere and mitigating the adverse effect of climate change. The second method to prevent global warming is reducing carbon emission. Reducing carbon emission means reducing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which reduces the greenhouse effect, thus preventing the global warming. The second major issue is ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is thinning or reduction of the ozone layer in the Earth's stratosphere. Now, ozone is a layer present in the Earth's stratosphere which prevents the entry of harmful UV radiation from the sun. When ODS or ozone depleting substances are released into the atmosphere, they release chlorine or bromine atoms. Now, these chlorine and bromine atoms, when react with ozone molecules, they destroy the ozone layer. The major ODS or the ozone depleting substances are chlorofluorocarbons, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloroform, and halogens. One chlorine atom is capable of destroying about 100,000 of ozone molecules. Causes of ozone depletion. The primary causes of ozone depletion are human-made chemicals known as ozone-depleting substances. These substances release chlorine and bromine atoms when they break down in the stratosphere, leading to a series of chemical reactions that result in the destruction of ozone molecules. The main ODS include chlorofluorocarbons. CFCs or the chlorofluorocarbons are synthetic compounds that were once widely used in refrigeration, air conditioning, and aerosol propellants and foam blowing agents. Halogens. Halogens are chemicals containing bromine and chlorine, and they were commonly used in fire extinguishers and firefighting systems. Carbon tetrachloride. This chemical, once used in the production of CFCs as a solvent, contributes to ozone depletion. Methyl chloroform. Methyl chloroform is an industrial solvent that releases chlorine when it breaks down, contributing to ozone layer depletion. Nitrous oxide, also known as laughing gas, is a greenhouse gas that can indirectly contribute to ozone depletion. It can react with chlorine in the stratosphere, releasing chlorine atoms that can destroy ozone molecules. Effects of ozone depletion. The major effects of ozone depletion are increased UV radiation, impact on human health, and impact on ecosystem. Ozone depletion has several harmful effects on both the environment and human health. Increased UV radiation is one of them. Ozone in the stratosphere absorbs the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Ozone depletion allows more UV radiation to reach the Earth's surface, leading to various adverse effects. Skin cancer. Higher levels of UV radiation increases the risk of skin cancer in humans. Prolonged exposure to UV radiation can cause DNA damage in skin cells, increasing the likelihood of skin cancers, including melanoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and basal cell carcinoma. Eye damage. Increased UV radiation can cause damage to the eyes, leading to conditions such as cataract, which affect the eye's lens and can result in vision impairment. Effect on marine ecosystem. UV radiation can harm marine life, including phytoplankton, which forms the basis of the marine food web. Disruption to these ecosystems can have cascading effect on marine biodiversity. Now let's look into the methods to prevent ozone depletion. Preventing ozone depletion requires global collaboration through initiatives like the Montreal Protocol, which outlines a phased approach to eliminate ozone depleting substances like CFCs and halogens. Committed countries have implemented regulations, promoted alternative technologies, and conducted public awareness campaigns to reduce ODS production and consumption. Ongoing monitoring and research are crucial to assess the effectiveness of these measures. Thanks to the international cooperation, the ozone layer is gradually recovering. demonstrating the success of the collective efforts in addressing environmental threats. In conclusion, tackling environmental challenges such as global warming and ozone depletion is crucial for the well-being of our planet and future generations. Urgent action is needed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adopt sustainable practices to address climate change. Ongoing efforts to phase out ozone-depleting substances are essential for safeguarding human health and the environment. Protecting the planet requires collective responsibility through sustainable choices and advocacy for environmental policies and support for conservation initiatives ensuring a sustainable future. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.